This has never happened, but it's true. Folding and unfolding. This morning, my beliefs infest the day like mud gods, painted to resemble things I thought of when I was 6 years old and still believed stories of talking trees that could grant wishes. Still, this cold January morning, I noticed these same trees grouped once again near the edge of the oaks at the far end of the garden. They know my name. When I woke up, both my arms were tornadoes. Not huge tornadoes. They were the same size as my regular arms, but they behaved like tornadoes. Birds were migrating through my arms. A huge barn exploded at the end of my index finger, and a flying board cut my cheek. I had an entire string of traffic signal lights wind up into my shoulder and enter my body, still flashing and sparkling. Rain came from my elbows, and the floor was littered with small boats. My mother noticed what was happening. Don't touch the mud gods. They can mess everything up. You'll wind up with islands on your back, and they're hard to get rid of. Multicolored strings began to pour forth from my mouth. It was bewildering. Stop dancing, my mother said. Chortling, screeching, squeaking, wheezing, wailing, whooping, rattling, hooting, gnashing, bleating, calling, squealing, whimpering, yelling, crashing, clucking. But I'm only 6 years old, Mother, and I just became a tornado for the first time. My mother yelled at the trees and scattered the mud gods all over the floor. Now eat your cereal and get ready for school.